Hello friends, welcome in Tech Reboot. In this video, I will show you the unboxing of Samsung 860 EVO 250GB SSD. This is the video series. Click this card to see the playlist and also check description for more information. Let's get started. This is the Samsung 860 EVO 250GB SSD with SATA 3 connectivity. Product link are available in the description. Check the description for more information. Its form factor is 2.5 inches. It has up to 5 years warranty and it's built with high quality material. And the most important thing is that it comes with the Samsung Magician software, which makes lots of tasks easy. In the next video, I will show you how can you install SSD in your computer and configure it. Stay tuned for the next video. Like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.